Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to view someone video pictures on TikTok without them knowing about it. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So what you have to do is for you to go over to TikTok and go over to your profile area. You're going to see this step here, this symbol here, which is like a full step symbol here at the right corner, the upside. You just have to go over to it, and here is what they call profile view. Turn on viewer history. On this side that is showing turn on here, on your own it will be showing turn off. Is when you turn it on, there is when you'll be able to view other people's pictures, to go through other people's profile without them knowing about it. And this is what they really want you to know. Others will see you viewed their profile in the past 30 days, and people you follow will see you view their post within 7 days of the date. Only you can see your viewer history. So when you turn this off, you'll be able to go through anyone's profile without them knowing about it. And if you turn it on before the next 30 days, they're going to know that you view their profile. Is going to show over here as a list of people that view their profile. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.